Hello everyone! Today, I'm making a phone purse from fabric scraps. This purse is very useful for carrying small items, like your phone, pens, and cash, and it also has a pocket for a phone charger. It's very easy to make, and I will share the step-by-step tutorial with you. Let's make it together. Prepare 2 outer pieces and 2 lining pieces measuring 4 by 7 inches. Prepare 2 outer fabric pieces and 2 lining pieces. Each piece measures 5 by 4 inches. Cover the top of both fabric pieces using a fabric strip adjusted to the correct size. Now, place both pieces onto the main lining, then sew in place. Next, place both pieces onto the main outer fabric and sew them together. Prepare 2 fabric pieces with interfacing, measuring 5 by 6 1/4 inches. Fold the fabric, then mark the center. Now we have 2 matching pieces. Fold the fabric and stitch the folds to create a pencil holder. Place a pen on the fabric and adjust the spacing, then stitch. You can adjust the number of slots as you like. I made 3 slots, and it's enough for my needs. Prepare 1 fabric piece, measuring 5 by 3 1/4 inches. Make a small fold at the top edge, then sew. Place both pieces together, then sew. Use bias tape to cover the edges all the way around. After sewing the bias tape, fold it over and hand stitch neatly. Prepare one outer piece and one lining piece measuring 5.5 by 1 and 3/8 inches. Prepare one long zipper measuring about 16 inches. Attach the strap to the pouch. Attach and sew the gusset and zipper on both sides. Then top stitch around the edges. Mark the center for accurate stitching. Then cover the stitching all around with bias tape. And finally, our phone purse project is complete. I'm sure you can make one at home by yourself. Don't forget to watch my upcoming tutorial videos. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.